All right, welcome to Lab 6-3. Right now we are doing finding duplicates using IDEA. So what we're first going to do is we're going to go and open up our projects. It's the same project that we had used before in 6-1. So we're going to click that. Okay. It's going to open that up so we can see here. Then we're going to go ahead and open up payments made. All right, so we've opened up payments made. We're going to go to analysis. I'm going to go to duplicate key, and we're going to go to detection. We're going to look for output duplicate records. Under key, we're going to come in here and we're going to make sure invoice reference. So we're making sure that there's no two movements for one invoice. Okay. All right, now we're going to click OK. And we can see here that we have one duplication right here. So this was something that we would talk to with management about. And then we're going to go back into analysis, duplicate key, detection. This time we're going to detect for payment amount. And click OK. And we're going to click OK again. All right, and we can see here now that we have a another duplication as well. Pardon me, that's not right. We're going to go back to payments made, duplicate key detection, payment amount. And then we'll click OK, and then OK. So we can see here we have some that are the same payment amounts, and that's okay. We can have multiple payment amounts that are the same. What we really want to check is this duplicate here. That's the same as this duplicate here. So these two are the same. So that's really what we want to check to make sure. All right. All right, and this is the end to the idea portion. And we will be moving on to the next portion of the Lab 6-3 next. Okay. All right, so now we're on the Excel portion of Lab 6-3. And we're going to be searching for duplicates with this. One of the very easy ways to do this is using the conditional formatting. So we're just going to go ahead and click all of invoice reference there, go over to conditional formatting and highlight cell rules, and we're going to highlight duplicate values. So this is going to show us that essentially all the duplicates are going to be highlighted with a light red fill with a dark red text, and it's just going to tell us that. So now we go scrolling, and you know what? There's a much easier way to do that, where we just put a filter here. If I can find it. All right. And then we can filter by color. And so here we can see two duplicated values right here with the invoice reference and the payment amount right here are duplicated as well. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clear the filter that we have here. And we're going to go and okay. And we're going to format as table. There's a light one there. My table has headers, yes. Click OK. So now we see we have go ahead and formatted it as a table. And then that's just and then this is just another way that allow us to come up here and then do the filter by color that we did before. So we just filter by the red color, and there we are. And so it's showing us the two values that we had filtered before. It's just another way to do it, and it makes it a lot neater by putting it in a table. All right, so we'll go ahead and clear out this filter we have here, and then we will do it. We will do the same thing that we did with the invoice reference with our payment amount. We're in conditional format, highlight cells that are duplicate values. Okay, so now we can see here that we do have some that are duplicate values for payments, more than we had with our invoice reference. And again, we can do the filter by color here, so we can see all of the ones that are the same, that have the same amount for another one. We're not too concerned because about this, we're more concerned about these over here. And that should just be, and with that, that would be how we run duplicates in Excel. And as you can kind of tell from what we kind of just did, Excel was a lot easier to do than IDEA. I certainly prefer Excel over IDEA. But yeah, that should be it for lab 6-3. Thank you.